Hello everyone, my people. It don't happen, it don't read, it don't happen again. This is a really sad and terrible news. That is one of our beloved brother who was here with us. His name is Ozoma. Good news. This guy you are seeing here, he was here before. Many people know him. It happened that he left from Malaysia to Thailand years ago. So unfortunately, this guy, about 2 years ago, we were looking for him. People were looking for him for over 2 years now. We don't know his whereabouts. So suddenly, 5 days ago, I saw a news today, and I begin to make inquiry. I find out that for over five days ago, that Thailand police discovered this guy dead body in the desert. This guy has spied for over 2 years. It's only his bone and the identity of the paper he's using, which is UN. That is where they find out that this guy, his name and where he's from, plus the DNA they did, they now discover is the person. Even the Thailand police don't know how he buy, but this guy don't buy for over 2 years. It's really a sad news. My brothers, I don't know what is going on, but all I want to say that in this life, no matter what you are doing, be straightforward. Do not take what does not belong to you. Do not eat people's things. And never you say you cannot do anything. I am this, I am this. Nobody is above anybody. Anything can happen. Just imagine. This guy you are seeing here, they are looking for him for over 2 years. Now just to find out that this guy has gone. Nobody knows what happened. But in this life, know the kind of people you mingle with. Know the kind of things you do with people. Be straightforward in anything you are doing. That is the only thing I can say. I'm not happy about this because he's really a friend and a brother. Way back. Please, my brothers and sisters in diaspora, no matter what you are doing, keep your hand clean. Help me to share this video so that those who are looking for him will know that he's no more. Good news. Yeah, so rest in peace, bro.
Child, this is so sad. This one is very, very painful. For someone to leave Africa in search of daily bread, only to go and meet their end. It's so painful. But while we are saying it's so painful, I hope you understand and I hope you pinpointed some things from what this young man narrated here. If you have listened to this video over and over again, you will hear that he keep on saying, do not eat people's money. Do not think that you are bigger than anybody. That is the truth. In whatever you are doing with anybody in this life, do not eat people's money. Do not forcefully take what belongs to others. And again, very, very important, this is what I want to say. Nobody is bigger than anybody. No matter your level, no matter your position, no matter the power, no matter the money you have, never you underrate anybody. Because even when you are bigger than them physically, God might raise up people that matches your energy to deal with you. So my brothers, my sisters, we that are alive, when things are happening, we learn from it. This is painful to watch. Imagine someone that people have been searching for over 2 years. They never knew that this young guy is dead somewhere in Thailand, and they have been looking for him in Malaysia. 2 years ago, he died 2 years ago. His body decayed, if not because of the ID card with him. This is very painful. Imagine what his family might have gone through throughout the 2 years. They might be thinking maybe their son is in the custody of the police, or maybe he just want to avoid them. They will be thinking a whole lot because of him. Little did they know that their son is no more. This one is very painful, to be honest. But no matter whatever we are doing in this life, stay out of trouble, so that when you die, you will know that it is a natural death. Stay out of trouble. Thank you.